more money instead? Yes, we should. Alright. Alright, that's it. We're going shopping. Wait, because I need to buy new clothes for every fucking new event. I don't understand why you're so This is my new shirt. I already used wear this before for my yacht a year ago on my birthday. Stop. That's also nice. Got a lot of my shirt here. What the fuck? I wonder, like, where are they? Like, I lost it. These things. Baby, tell me how did you forget? Let's try this song. This is just for my mom. Move. Man, I need a. That's it. I'm moving all my clothes to the new place. So. Get out! Get out!